Nowadays, electricity is an indispensable part of our daily lives, making the resilience of the power grid crucial. Technical personnel regularly perform high-altitude and dangerous climbing tasks to ensure the stability of electricity. Remove the salt deposits on the insulators to prevent reduction on insulation properties and avoid the risk of power outages. In order to reduce the high-risk and high-cost operations, ITRI has developed an insulator cleaning drone, where all the components are designed and developed in-house. Adopting self-developed high-efficiency motor and lightweight electronic speed controller, achieving high payload and flight capability. Integrating an AI insulator recognition technology and dual-axis servo water jet control technology. Achieving high precision and efficiency in the automatic cleaning process. Drones can perform semi-automatic flights and maintain a safe distance from insulators while executing tasks. With an immersive mobile control cabin that simulates the future of remote control to perform tasks, allowing workers to operate from the ground, avoiding the risks of high-altitude tasks. In the future, drones will play the role of airborne heroes in power maintenance to strengthen the endurance of the power grid through human-machine collaboration.